In this video, we'll describe how to work on your task using ulink. You can see on my desktop I've downloaded a number of .ulk files for the tasks that I'll be working on. I've downloaded and saved this on my desktop. If you prefer, you can store it even in some folder anywhere. The location is not important, but you need to make sure that you download and work only on one .ulk file for each task. Never make a second copy of it. Yeah, even if you are working through a cyber cafe for submitting your files, you can save the .ulk file on a pen drive and keep only one for each task. And if you're working from cyber cafe, you can also install ulink on the pen drive itself, so it will be convenient to use that way. Yeah, so if you're working from a cyber cafe, just save the .ulk file and the ulink file on the pen drive, and then you can use the pen drive and work directly from it. Don't copy the files anywhere else. So when you're ready to work on your task, see that you open the correct task ID ulk file. So now I know that I'm working on task 3431, so I'll open the ulk file for that by double clicking on it. So then I get this ulink window. Okay, so now we'll just take a tour around this ulink window to understand what all details it shows. The first thing you can notice here is the title bar. For now it's showing you the ulink version number, and these are the menus available in ulink. Under file you have open. You can use the open option if your ulink is already open and you want to open another ulink file. So you can browse to your ulk file and open it. Below open you have open recent, in which you can open any of the previous ulk files that you have been working on. This is handy when you are working on more than one tasks, and you can easily switch between working on two tasks. There's also this option called send corrections. We'll describe that a little later. And you have the option to exit the ulink window. Subtract time option also, we'll explain that later. On the help, you can see about for details of the ulink software. The more important thing is the applications. This will show you the list of authorized applications for working on the particular task. So you can see in this task it is allowed to work in Maya, 3D Max, ZBrush, Mudbox, etc. It's important to note that ulink will only record the softwares listed here and no other software. You can click on OK to close this window. Make sure you check this before you start your work on any task to see that it is recording the appropriate software. And if you think that it's not, the software that you need to use for this task is not listed here, then please inform your project manager before you start any work on the task. Under help, the last option is update. You can click on update to update the version of the ulink software, so you don't have to reinstall it anytime. You can easily update it. As you can see now, it says the application is up to date because I already have the latest version. And you don't need to always use this option, help update. This is a manual option, but every time you submit a file through ulink, it automatically updates the version.